guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you our black cherry pattern. This is black, red, and green. Black background. Cherries are red, stems are green. There is just a minute amount of transparency, and that is your highlights. Those are fully transparent, but they are very minimal. Recommended base coat color would definitely be white. Those are pretty small. So that's a good pattern for smaller parts. I don't know. It's probably going to take a lot of activator too. A lot of ink in that pattern. We're using Hydrographics activator. That's what we use with everything. We guarantee that, and Hydrographics with all of our film. 60-second soak time, about 18 psi, 1.8 gun, 1.8 tip. Man, I don't think I did the best job damming that off. Jeez, it's thirsty, I will warn you. I hate dipping black background film. It's just a hard one to do. Well, that one turned out pretty good, except for the back, but it just needs a lot of activator. Here's a quarter for size reference. Two, I do want to mention real quick, these videos are not perfect. They're not meant to be perfect. We do this for demonstration purposes, just so you can get a feel of every single film that you're purchasing, because it's so hard when you buy something online to know what you're getting, and we just felt like the videos really help with that. It's something we've always done. If that's something that you guys like, feel free to let us know in the comments on YouTube, Facebook, email us, whatever. Sometimes we just contemplate shutting these down and not doing any more, but if it's something that you guys would like to see continue, feel free to let us know, because we're happy to do them as long as you guys feel that it's worth it. So anyway, that will be in the miscellaneous section, and of course at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.